In Whitefield Hospital, those days surgeries were not there. It's only subsequently the hospital developed. Thus it was that once for my father, when surgery was fixed in this hospital, since they could not get a anesthetist, they told him to go to Philomena's hospital. So Dr. H.S. Bhatt was to operate on him. Till the last minute, they couldn't get anesthetist. Then they said, sorry, uncle, you got to go to the city to get the operation done. And my father was to be admitted the next day. He was staying with me. One of the devotees from Alsur Samiti, Mr. Sikka, came home, a good friend of my father. And he said, Tyagaraj sir, yesterday I had a dream in which, I come to see you and ask you when is your surgery, and you are saying my surgery is over, Swami has done it. It's all in his dreams. And you lift your shirt and your body is full of vibhuti. So this is the dream of Mr. Sikka, as told to my father. But as advised by the doctor, my father got admitted in Philomena's. And just before entering the operation theatre, they always have one final check, to be sure. And Dr. Bhatt told him, Mr. Tyagaraj, it's like a miracle. Your prostate cannot be felt anymore. And my father was sent back home. Simultaneously, he had sent my brother saying, your father's surgery, why don't you go? Gave him prasadam and sent him. He didn't know the changes. So landed in the hospital. I remember Savitri telling me later on how scared they were, because Ravi Kumar comes there saying, where's my father? And they have to tell that Swami sent me because it's my father's surgery, and he had to say that. They had to tell him, no, it's not here, it's in the city. So they really got very scared. Now what is Swami going to say about this? We sent him away. He would think we haven't put enough efforts to get an anesthetist. And then he landed home. When he came home, our house, even nowadays, sometimes I'll get up in the morning and the door will be open. It's not a safe thing, but sometimes it happens. Those days never used to close. Windows, doors, everything ajar, nobody in the house. And then he saw my father come from Shirdi temple nearby. And my father's only thing was, the minute he sees anybody, he will say, have you booked the ticket for me to go back to Patti? He said, no, Pa, Swami sent Vibhuti for you. You are supposed to have your surgery. What happened? Then he said, Illada, I went in the morning. Doctor said, you don't need surgery anymore. So I came back. Come book a ticket. Let's go back to Parthi. And they went back to Parthi. This never happened. When they went to Parthi, this is from my brother, I heard, that when they went, naturally they were late and they were sitting a little behind. He could only see Swami talking to the students in the mandir. And then after a while, he called him and said, tell them about your father's surgery. Now, what could he say about a surgery which never happened? So he had to say something. So he started telling about Mr. Sikka's dream. And then, everybody clapped and Aarti over. As they were walking out, I believe one of the MBA students told him that, sir, just before you came, Swami told the same thing to us. Also, Swami subsequently once said, when he mentioned this, he told my father, Tyagaraj, did you see? I brought you from the operation theatre, from the operation table. Then he was telling somebody, Ollanta Vibhuti. Just imagine the omnipresent Lord, so never take him lightly, because somebody says something, no, there is a message for all of us. So these were the amazing, many experiences like that. And with Swami, there is a delay but not a denial.